Hello everyone, welcome back to class. In case you're new to this channel, this is English Tutorial with PSB and I am going to be your tutor. In this channel, we bring you English lessons, especially phonics and how to transcribe words. So if you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that anytime we post anything, you will be the first to get the alert. All right, so today I'm going to be introducing to you the transcription of the letters of the alphabet. Yes, we're going to be transcribing the letters of the alphabet. I'm starting from letter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, or Z. Now, why is the transcription of this alphabet very important? It's very important because since I'm going to be walking you through sounds, this alphabet, there are places they still appear, there are places they still come in. For example, in the word make, make, we discover that the A there sounds A, not A. So we can't trash our alphabet completely because we are bringing in sounds. No. So these alphabets are very, very important. And it's very important that you learn the right pronunciation of this alphabet so that you not be like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, now, all those ways. So get the pronunciation right and then it will help you as you dive into the phonics class, the real thing, the main food. All right, thank you very much for staying tuned. Make sure you come back always to come and know what I have for you. And I pray for you that God will help you. And in this journey of English language with PSV, you're going to get better and better in the name of Jesus. Thank you. Until I come your way next, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, with your family, if you've got value from it. Bye.